Action. Well, howdy folks, good old Wrestlinger here. Now you might be wondering what this thing is. Well, it's a refrigerator. A Sears Cold Spot. Well, got it for free there, I don't know, month and a half, almost a couple months ago or so. And it's a 70's model because it's brown. And it needs a couple parts because the parts are broken. Let's see, model number here is 106 there on the left, and darker digits. And now here's the rest of the number: 7645220, and then the serial number E405 17893. Is that a 1? Yeah, it is a 1. Okay. 6.8 amps. So, heater watts, 885. And it was made here in America. Yep, made in the United States of America. I guess my my helper buddy there, Plastic TV Man 1981X, might tell me what year it is. I bet the answer is right there on the model number, but I could be wrong. Usually the first two digits is a Briggs & Stratton thing. Yep, here's the back. Got a little rust on it. Here's the cord. Yeah, it needs a couple parts, but they're a little bit pricey, so I don't know when exactly I'll get the parts. It's not that bad, but shoot, can't go wrong. Yeah, it's only $50, 50. So we'll just have to stay tuned for this, but I don't know when I'll get the parts. I'm in no rush for the parts, so when the time comes, we'll get this thing going again. So there you go, a 70's Sears Cold Spot refrigerator and freezer. Y'all have a good day. Bye bye.